I'm Rebecca, and I'm sorry I haven't had a chance to come to your class yet to introduce myself. I keep meaning to come. I've got a class on Thursdays from 7:30 to 8:30, and then I have a meeting off campus at 9, and so it interferes with my being at y'all's class. But I keep thinking, it wouldn't be so bad if I missed my 7:30 class one day, maybe, and came in. So I'm planning to do that, so maybe I can come in and see everybody. I've known your professor for a long time. I've been doing Digital Logic SI for I think 7 years. When I started, there was 2740, which was all of the lecture stuff that y'all do in 2741 and 2742, and then there was a separate lab class. And then they broke it up into 2741, which is part lecture, part lab, and 2742, which is part lecture, part lab. This is my first time to do 2742, but I did 2740, so I've done all the material before, and I've worked through all the labs, and the first time Dr. Trahan taught it, I sat in 2742, so I kind of know what's going on. At any time, if y'all have questions, feel free to email me. If we need to set up a time to meet so I can explain something better, make sure that you do that, or that you email me and then I'll set something up. I just want to help however I can. I'm going to try something and see if it works with the recording. Rather than doing a Zoom recording of the entire session, I'm going to do a recording of each problem separately so that if you want to go back and watch something, you don't have to fast forward through the entire session, or if you just need to see a particular problem. I don't know how hard it's going to be. I'm going to try that and see how it works. So I'm not using Zoom here. I'm using a different recording software. So that's my introduction, and in just a second I'll get started with problem 1. But are there any questions before we do that? All right. So I'll just save that as